With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
20 coupons are numbered 1 to 20 respectively. 1 to 20 respectively. 4 coupons are selected at random without replacement. This is important. They are selected without replacement. If maximum and minimum numbers on selected coupons are 12 and 3 respectively, then we need to find the probability that maximum number on the remaining selected coupons is 9. Now see, in this question it is given that maximum and minimum number on selected coupon, which is 4 coupons are selected, are 12 and 3 respectively. Then we need to find the probability that maximum number on remaining 2 selected coupons is 9. Now see, it is given that maximum and minimum number on selected coupons is 12 and 3 respectively. Therefore we can say that remaining 2 coupons have number out of either they can take value of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Sorry, not 12, up to 11 only. Now see, these are 8 coupons remaining. Now this 8 now we need to select 2 coupon out of this 8 coupon. Now this can be done in 8C2 ways. Therefore total number of selecting and remaining 2 coupon will be equal to 8C2, which is equal to 8 into 7 divided by 2, which will be equal to 28 total ways of selecting the remaining 2 coupon. Now see, if this is the case, we need to find the probability that the maximum number on remaining selected coupon is 9. Now let us consider that E is an event of getting maximum number on remaining selected coupon as 9. Therefore we can say that now probability of E will be equal to number of favorable events of E, let me write it as n of E, divided by total numbers of possible event, which is equal to 28 in our particular case, because we have 28 possibilities of selecting 2 numbers out of these 8 numbers. Now we need to find n of E. Now for that we need to consider that we want to select a coupon with number 9 on it. Therefore this can be done in one way, only one way for selecting this. Now we need to have another coupon less than 9. Now this can be done in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways. Therefore it will be 1 into 5 divided by 28, which is equal to 5 divided by 28. This is what we get. Now this is our probability of event E, which is the probability that maximum number on remaining selected 2 coupons is 9. And from this we can say that option 2 will be our correct answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.